Right, well, we're going to have a look at sexing your cucumbers. Yeah, a lot of plants have male and female flowers on them, and cucumber is a good example. And it's quite important to look at the different flowers types on a cucumber, because certainly the greenhouse ones, a lot of the varieties, you really do need to take off the male flowers, because if you leave the male flowers on, you can get this, the pollination can actually then cause the bitter fruits. So looking at this plant here, you've obviously got some lovely mature cucumbers. We've also got a mixture of the female and male flowers. Now down here we have a good example of a male flower. And male flowers, you'll see, you'll just see the flower and then the stalk. There isn't a swelling behind the flower. And then you literally will just pinch that off, like so. The female flowers, we can see a very small one here. They very quickly, as soon as you see the flower, very quickly you've got a fruit behind. It'll be very small to start with. But that's clearly the female flower, so you want to leave that one on. And that's really all there is to it. It's quite a simple process. We've got another one up here. Let's have a look at this one. That one there, you can see slightly bulbous behind, but it's not clearly at all. It's not got a. You can definitely see the difference between the female and the male flower. So that one there wants to be pinched off as well. And then just let the female flowers form the fruit. And that's sexing your cucumbers.